Welcome in, everyone. It is the March Brown Sugar Box. I admit, I don't think I've posted January and February. They have been filmed. I think I'm going to end up putting those together, but we're going to skip them and just go ahead and dive into March because it's here and it's ready. And I'm going to try to get this one uploaded before the April box actually shows up. So, if this is your first time in, the Brown Sugar Box is a curated box of culture, confidence, and soul for black women, not just women of color, black women. It is a black owned business, and every single month there is a subscription box that comes, and it is perfectly curated with a theme, and all of the items included in the box are tied to that theme, and they are all full size. There is always at least one piece of apparel, typically a t-shirt, but there have been things from leggings and bathrobes and kimonos and sweatshirts, you name it. So it is absolutely amazing. If you have not gone over and taken a look at their subscriptions, you should do so. And if you're like maybe not ready to commit to a full subscription, they do have short windows of for gifting. Like if you wanted to try it for like 3 or 6 months, you could purchase that. Or you could just shop their boutique and pick up the items that you like from each of the boxes or items that are exclusive to their retail shop. Now that we've gotten the housekeeping out of the way, let's dive in. That is what this month's box looks like, and I'm gonna have to put my glasses on to see anything else beyond. So this month's theme is Empowered Grace Edition with the emphasis on her. There is a playlist here on the back. It has a retail value of $120 in this month's box. So that is what that looks like. The playlist is there on the back. And we have the contents. And we're going to start with what's right here on the top, which is a reflections set of 4 pieces of artwork. These prints have a retail value of $40. They don't have a frame, but they are double-sided. So if you decided to, maybe build some kind of artsy crafts, you won't lose the print on either side. So there is the first one. I absolutely love this one. I could see this one and this one maybe framed in a bathroom. Matter of fact, let's make that 3 for the bathroom and then 1 for the nightstand, reading, or in my office area. So I really like these. I love the fact that the colors are neutral, so they will blend in with any color scheme that you already have going on. So that is the first item. The next, my box is about to flip over because there's something heavy in here tilting it. So the next item is this. No wonder it's so heavy. All right, this is a $22 retail value, and it is Wildflower and Rose bath salts. So it's vanilla, rose with essential oils. It is in a glass bottle and sealed there. It has a $22 retail value. I don't know. I kind of feel like the prints might have been more of a $22 value, and the salts, bath salts, 40. I mean, because this is a serious glass bottle. It is beautiful. Let's see if I can see how many ounces. Made by Mason DeBase. This particular scent is variety is supposed to be for relaxing. Yeah, I almost feel like the prices may have gotten mixed up on the prints given the size of them. So let me find, I'm going to sit this here because I don't want that glass to flip over and break. The next item here is the Glow Girl Massage and Body Oil, and my scent is in coconut. This has a retail value of $18. It says apply a small amount to your skin and rub the oil in until absorbed. It is a mix of almond oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and some fragrance. So that is the oil. So that's that. And then we have actually two shirts this month. So the first one of them has, well, they both have retail value of $25. One is a Strength, Courage, and Wisdom V-neck tee. The other one is an Icons crew neck tee. And remember, this month's theme is Empowered Grace with the emphasis on her. So this first one is the Icons crew tee. So here we go with this one. I love it, I love it, I love it. I actually have a pair of capris or crop. Are they cargo or capris? Or anyway, I have a pair of blue that I think these will go perfectly with. It has on it Dorothy Dandridge, Cicely Tyson, Lena Horne, Diane Carroll, Ruby D, Eartha Kitt, Josephine Baker, Billie Holiday, Pearl Bailey, Ethel Waters, Ella Fitzgerald, Della Reese, and Lola Falana. So we've got them all here. Bright, beautiful colors. Gonna go with any colored bottom you put these on with. Denim, you know, you could pick a pop of color and accessorize. So I really like this one. And then, so that's one. And then the second one here, it is the Strength, Courage, and Wisdom tee. It also has a $25 retail value, and this one is a V-neck. The first one is a crew neck. It's also in blue, but a different shade. And here is what that one looks like. And you can see the face of a woman, and then her hair and kind of her ear, her jewelry, all of that is where you will find Strength, Courage, and Wisdom written out for the graphic. I love the look of that. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So you can see the shirts are definitely two different color blues. V-neck, crew, bath salts, massage, oil, and the prints. I think I'm going to put these in a frame, in one of those triple frames, and put this in one of the bathrooms because they just perfectly go with that aesthetic. And then I could pull any other color. Actually, the downstairs bathroom already has some blue in there, so this would actually be perfect. I'd probably put this one in the middle so that it is where your eyes naturally gravitate to pull the blue, and then let the other two sit like this. That's it. Let me know what your favorite product is out of this month's box. I cannot wait to indulge in some bath salt time, some self-care. So please be sure to hit the thumbs up before you head out. Come back because there's going to be a double month reveal because I know I have not posted one of these in a while, but I continue to subscribe because there are amazing items. And if for some reason there's a month when there's something that doesn't work for me, it's always a great gift. And I have received so many compliments from folks that receive. They ask all the time, where did you get that? So that's where I get it from. It is from the Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar Box subscription. So thank you so very much for watching. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up before you head out. Leave a comment. Let me know which of these items is your favorite. And until next month, I do hope you take care.